Hey, what's up YouTube? So it's currently the 13th day without my car. Here's another Crypto 101 episode. Okay, YouTube, welcome back to another Crypto 101 episode. The time, it is currently 8:34 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is November 24th, 2024. It's also currently the 13th day without my car. I'm still waiting to hear back from the dealership. I don't know if I'm going to hear something back this week or next week. I don't know. I just got to wait for a call. Long story short, let's look at some cryptocurrency today. Not doing the best today. Kind of sunk quite a few today. We sunk probably like, I think maybe about 4 or 5% today. That's what it looks like. Yeah, Dogecoin's not doing too well today. Yeah, we sunk quite a bit there for Dogecoin. As for Bitcoin, Bitcoin's having a hard time hitting that $100,000 mark. Again, it also started off high a little bit today. That was early this morning while everyone was still sleeping. And it kind of took a tumbling there throughout today. And it kind of kicked back up a little bit afternoon time. And then it kind of just sunk a little bit right there, as you guys can see. Bitcoin's hesitating to hit that 100,000 mark. Today's, like I said, today's Sunday, November 24th, 2024. I also wanted to say, like, Bitcoin's definitely going to hit that 100,000 mark this week. I know for a fact it will. Dogecoin typically goes up usually when Bitcoin goes up. Usually when Bitcoin goes up, it usually goes up Dogecoin, but I don't think that's always the case, if I'm right. Oh, my bad. Damn. I didn't mean to do that. My bad, YouTube. I did not mean to go back on the page like that. I was not supposed to do that. I was supposed to keep the arrow right here because I also wanted to check out the Microstrategy stock, which I believe is definitely going to hit record highs this week after it sunk last week with the stock short from last week because of Andrew left and his dumb decisions to sell short term and not hold until like it gets to a higher price. As you guys can see, this is from last week right here when Microstrategy stock plummeted to not its lowest, but just its lowest since it went high up last week. Microstrategy stock is definitely going to have a good week this week for sure. I know for a fact it will. It's got to, and it will. Definitely going to be keeping an eye on that stock for sure. Right now we're in overnight trading. This will probably last, I think it lasts until midnight, I believe. Midnight or 4 in the morning. It's not really much to report here tonight until the markets open up tomorrow on Monday. So I'm just going to be keeping an eye on the Dogecoin and cryptos. I got a trip tomorrow. I got to pick up my sister with my family. So I don't know if I'm going to be making a video like this tomorrow. But just stay tuned. This is just going to be a very short update video. I'm not going to make it too long. So we're just going to have to see how Bitcoin does this week. I'm guaranteeing it's going to hit 100,000 this week for sure. I'm just waiting for it to hit that magical number. Everyone is waiting for that. And I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on the Microstrategy stock because they currently have the world's biggest holding of Bitcoin in the world. So I'm definitely going to be keeping an eye on this stock for sure. I have 13 shares. If I bought it last week when it went down, the same day that Andrew left, sold short selling on the stock. If I bought into it when it went down, I could have had 15 shares, but right now at the moment I only have 13. Let me see, where is it? Right here, yep. Where the arrow is, right here, I have 13.5 shares. 13.5 shares. So we'll see how the stock market is this week. Definitely going to be praying for that one because I definitely want to make some bank off this one, make some money. Everyone wants to make some money off this, honestly. I think everyone can agree with me on that. Other than that, there's nothing really much else to report. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna be keeping an eye on this stuff. You guys who invested in MicroStrategy, definitely keep an eye on this stock this week because this stock is definitely gonna be hitting some record numbers this week for sure. And that's really all I got for you today, YouTube. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.